All right, so anyway, gotta change the filter on my my Ridgid shop vac. So there's a lot of dust. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear this mask and I'm gonna wear gloves because it's really messy. I'm gonna show you a secret way to put on gloves, all right? So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna stick your thumb in like this. All right, so you get your thumb in like that, and you bring this around and slap it in, just like that. So you gotta get it open first. You get your thumb in, and so you've got it like backwards. Then you bring your hand in and slide it in, and bam, Bob's your uncle, you're ready to go. Now we gotta open this up. Here's our filter. I bought this on Amazon, and basically the nipple just goes right through there. It's a very simple process, right? So it's not gonna be that hard to do. So let's go outside and do it. Okay, so anyway, this is my Ridgid shop vac. Here's my new filter. And you know, it's kind of dirty, but it's an old one. I've had it, I don't know, maybe 15 years, and the thing just works fantastic. I'm over here in the shade because over there it's really bright. So anyway, to get this thing out of here, first of all, what I want to do is I want to pull all these attachments out. So I'm going to flip this over, and I don't want them flying everywhere. You know what I mean? So I got all my attachments there, and now I'm ready to go ahead and pop this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the side here, and there's these little latches, and you got to be careful because you can get your finger caught in there. So you want to keep your thumb here and just kind of pop it up like that. See how that works? Let me show you on this side. So what you're going to do is you're just going to come here. Don't stick your finger in there, but right here, pop it up. It just comes off this little lip here. Now we're good. Now all I got to do is pull this up. Bam, done. I'm going to flip it over. And there's the old filter, and look at all that junk. So to get rid of all this stuff, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out of here. There we go. That's out. So that the hose is off. Now I can dump that in the garbage. So before I do that, I want to put my mask on. Then I want to breathe it because it's going to get everywhere. So my voice may seem a little muffled, but this will protect me against all the stinky, gooky junk. My hair is a mess. That's it. All right, so let's just go dump this in the garbage. There it is. Just gonna grab it from here and then dump it in. Just like that. Now I think I'm gonna squirt it with the hose. So I'm just gonna grab my hose out of here. Okay, so all we gotta do is just thread it with this. I think I'm going to move it more to a rinse. All right, so that should be good. Still some stuff in there. Let's get it out. Okay, I think we're going to be good with that. And then we're just going to leave it in the sun to dry. Now let's go over here. These are basically all made the same. There's your hole. I just got to pop this up. Just like that. And then we're going to take this one. And I'm just going to slide it. Let me show you. This right here is going to go through there. Okay. Now I think I can take off my mask. All right, so you got a hole here and your nipple's got to get through it. If you look, let me show you this nipple. All right, so here's our old one, here's our new one, and this little nipple here has got to get through this hole. So you got to push it down hard on there. So basically I just kind of set it like this, until I can see that little nipple right there. And then I just got to push it down on it. And it's on. Yeah, I'm done. And now we're ready to go. Now we can put it back on the body once it dries off. We want to throw this away. You can see how dirty it got. I mean, some people clean these out, but I mean, I don't think so. You know, I think it's easier just to put a new one in. So that one's gone. This is drying out. And then we just set that back on top, and I'll show you in a minute. All right, so it's pretty simple. You just got to get it on there and lock it down. And this is where your hose is going to go. So it really doesn't make too much of a difference where you put it. You just got to match it up like that. And then you've got to get this over. And the thing is you want it to clip, but you don't want to clip your finger in there. So I just go like that. And then we can go to the other side. Same thing, just pull that over and done. And that thing's ready to go. Now we can go ahead and start vacuuming again. You can clean your hose if you want, because I'm sure it does get some stuff in there. You could squirt water down it, but I don't know if you really need to. Because you're just sucking stuff through. This I bought off of Amazon, and it's made for these Ridgids. You know what I mean? It's made for this, and it just slips on like this, just like that, and that's ready to go. And we're done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.